Everyone, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to update the photos on your website. So if I want to change these images, I simply go to update section in the photo I want to update and then toggle if I need to where I see the box for that section. And this is where you can browse and upload a brand new photo. So you'll see that every section that has a photo will have this little box, which allows you to upload a new photo to your website. So as I scroll through, all I need to do is click on update section and I'll see that little box appear, and then I can browse my computer for the new file that I want to upload. So we'll just go to one, for example, and I'll click here on browse. And then I do know I have like a team photo here on my website, the team at the trade show. I'm going to upload the new photo right here into the system. You can see the upload's complete. I click on save and close. And now my new photo has uploaded into the system. Now, let's just say that I want to edit that. There is a little tool here that I can click on to edit my photos. So we're going to talk about this tool in the next video. Thanks so much for joining me. Good luck adding your own photos to your website.